soon as you log in, you'll land on the dashboard screen. At the bottom, you'll find the main navigation bar giving you access to all major areas of the app. These include the dashboard, which we're currently on, dietary guidelines, then the daily calories pop-up, which overlays the screen. Once closed, you're back on the dietary screen. We then can move to the goal setting screen and finally, your profile. Let's have a closer look at the dashboard. The dashboard screen acts as your personalized health hub. At the top, you'll see the risk score assessment calculated using criteria developed by the American Diabetes Association. As you scroll down, you'll see your daily calorie intake, your daily weight, and your step count, which is automatically synced from devices like Apple Watch, Garmin, and Fitbit through secure API integrations, which can be connected or managed anytime in the Managed Devices section. Further down, your BMI is auto-calculated based on your inputs, and your BMC, or body mass composition, can be entered manually. Finally, you'll see a graphical view of your weight trends, available in 7-day, 4-week, or yearly graphs. Next, when tapping on the fruit icon, we are taken to the dietary guidelines. This section provides recommended diet programs tailored for chronic condition management. For example, if I select the vegan plan, it shows you the summary and benefits of a vegan diet. Then when I select the Vegan Recipes button, I'm taken to a curated list of healthy vegan recipes. When a patient makes changes to their diet, it is recommended that they first consult with a registered dietitian or their healthcare provider. This section is continuously updated with new programs and recipes. Let's head over to the Goals screen by tapping the target icon to the right of the plus button. On this screen, you can view and adjust all of your health goals. First, there's your weight goal. To make changes here or any goals, just tap the pencil icon. Next, you can update your daily calorie target based on input from your healthcare provider. Then you can set your weekly active minutes and choose a diet plan goal as we highlighted on the previous screen. At the bottom, you can select your healthcare provider. Our app connects to a database of participating practices, so once a practice joins, their list of relevant doctors become available and selectable in MiPHR. As you can see, my provider is Dr. Nalawadi, who I added during my app onboarding. In the case where your provider isn't listed, you can also add them manually, like you see here. Now let's move into the Profile section, the last icon on the right. Here you can manage your account settings, health logs, device connections, notifications, reports, and insurance. Under Manage Account, you can update your personal details. In the health log, you can view and update key health metrics: weight, blood pressure, glucose, A1C, BMI, BMC, steps, and daily calories, either manually or from connected devices. Since I haven't updated my blood pressure in a while, I'll go ahead and update it now. Let me add 145 here, then I'll add 95 here. Then after those are added, I'll click Update. Under Manage Devices, you'll see your synced health data. As you can see, I have my Apple Watch connected. As mentioned before, MyPHR connects to most of the popular devices using APIs with Apple, Fitbit, Garmin, Google Health Connect, and Withings. We cover most of the major wearables and health tech devices on the market. You can always override auto-synced data with manual entries if needed. MyPHR helps build consistent habits by sending reminders 3 times a day, prompting users to log breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snacks. Notifications are enabled by default. For example, if you click the bell button at the top right, you can see all the notifications I've received over the past few days. Reports are generated daily and delivered on the 5th day of every month to your healthcare provider via a secure e-fax when opted in. You can also manually send a report at any time. To review your report, all you have to do is select the year. In this case, I'll select 2025, then select a month. I'll select April. Once again, I've already selected Dr. Nalawadi as my provider during my onboarding. Your medical record number is optional, then I'll hit the View Report button. Now on the report screen, you can see trends and metrics such as average daily steps, calorie intake, weight, and blood pressure. You will then see a 90-day trend graph summarizes weight, activity, net calories, and BP at the bottom. To send this report manually to my provider, just tap the eFax to HCP button. This is ideal if your doctor requests a report outside of the monthly schedule reports that are automatically sent on the 5th day of each month. Finally, in billing and insurance, you can enroll through an employee benefit program, select Medicare if eligible, and manage whether reports are sent to your provider automatically. Let's jump into the daily calories tracker screen by tapping the center plus icon. Here, you can track both water consumption and food intake. Tapping the plus button adds one 8-ounce glass. It's a simple way to stay hydrated and mindful. To log food, all you will have to do is tap the plus next to any meal. You'll see a barcode scanner icon. Tap the icon and just point your camera at the barcode on the food package that you want to enter. MiPHR is integrated with Fat Secret, giving access to one of the largest nutrition databases. For example, I had pancakes this morning. I can scan the barcode on this Hungry Jack package. After a second or so, the details are populated. You will see the calorie and macronutrient info, which are added to my meal. If needed, you can adjust the serving size or quantity easily right from this screen. Now that is an example of adding your food through the barcode scanner. I also have the option of entering food manually. All you have to do is type the name of the food. In this case, I'll just type in bacon, for instance, and select the closest match from the database. From there, I can tweak the serving and quantity based on what I actually ate.